Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to tie your headscarf so that you can get it with a cute little bow like this. I originally saw this look on the Dolce & Gabbana Spring and Summer runway and I fell in love with it. I've already worn it in a few of my outfit posts and today I'm sharing with you how to get the look. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have the right type of scarf for this. You can do this with a square scarf. I find that it is better if you have a more rectangular scarf. It just makes it easier to work with and then it's not so bulky when you go ahead and tie it around your head. So the scarf that I'm using today is one of these little, it's actually sheer, but it's a very thin scarf. It's not very wide. And then what I do is I will fold the scarf over 3 times to get my desired width. Now I prefer to use about 2 to 3 inches. This is completely up to your own preference. That's just what works for me and how I like it. So feel free to play around with different widths of your scarf. So after I've folded my scarf down and I've set it aside, I'm gonna have it on the ready. First thing I do is I'm gonna pin my hair back. So I typically like to leave my bangs out just because it'll just make it easier to work with. So I'll just grab the rest of my hair and really messy, I'll just pin it back like so. Then you take your scarf and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it at the very base of your neck. Now, you don't want to have it fully centered or else you're going to end up with a bow that sits directly at the top of your head. So I'm actually going to position it slightly off to the side so that when I move it over, you'll see that my bow is going to be here automatically the side that I need it. Okay, so then you're going to make a knot on the side of your head, and I always like to tuck my ears in. And then you want to make it nice and tight so that it stays in place. You may want to double knot it just to keep this part in place. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so once you've got your double knots in place, you're just going to work on your bow. Now, the actual headscarf might slip around a little bit on your head. That's okay. This is why we started off with this position in the first place. Okay, so I've got a little bow. Now I'm just going to make it a little prettier. Once you've got your bow, you're going to open it up a little bit, make it a little prettier. Okay, and then you can pull your hair down, adjust. Now personally, I like to pull out a little bit more hair on the other side, like so. I always like to tuck my ears in. And voila, you're done. That's it. That's all there is to it. It's quite simple. It only takes about 3 to 4 minutes. One of the best things about wearing your headscarf like this is that it'll also work really well with an updo. If you'd like to see what that looks like, you can check out my blog, houseofillusions.ca, for more styling ideas. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. This is a really cute and fun summer look, which will take you under 3 minutes to do. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Until next time.